everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm going to share with you guys my recipe on how to make shrimp and chicken fajitas. For the ingredients, we're going to need shrimp, chicken, minced garlic, butter, bell pepper, purple onion, and seasoning of your choice, okay? I'm going to walk over to my skillet. Oh, also, we're going to need two different skillets because these are going to be cooked separately. I have here 2 tablespoons of butter and my minced garlic. And we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the cooking oil for the chicken. Okay. I'm gonna do, these are gonna be cooking at medium heat. So we're gonna go and put the seasoning. This one has the black pepper, garlic, and what else? Salt. Seasoning to taste. I'm gonna add a little more. For my shrimp, I use a medium-sized shrimp. It's raw shrimp, and make sure that if you guys are gonna use this one, it comes with a little tail. Remove the tail before cooking. The garlic and the butter smells so delicious. Okay, we're gonna add our shrimp. I'm gonna mix in my seasoning with the chicken. I'm gonna add this to my frying oil. We're gonna cook both of these evenly, so make sure that you guys are moving them around. The shrimp and the chicken have been cooking for about 6 to 7 minutes. Our shrimp is ready. The color that you guys are looking for cooked shrimp is this nice orange look. I'm gonna turn this off. And our chicken, I'm gonna add my vegetables to this. This is about 3/4 of the way. I'm gonna add my bell peppers and my onion. If you guys want the vegetables to be a little softer, a little tender, you guys could cover up once we mix in the chicken and everything together, we could cover it up with the lid. If you guys want a crunchier taste, then leave the vegetables uncovered. I'm gonna cover mine up. Chicken and the vegetables have been cooking for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add now my shrimp. And this will cook for a couple minutes more, and then it's going to be all ready to be served. My fajitas are ready. They've been cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Here I have a bed of rice, which I'm going to serve it on. I have a recipe for the rice on my channel. And also, I have some tortillas de harina, my flour tortillas. Goes pretty well with this recipe. I'm gonna serve it here with a little bit of sour cream. And I have this sauce, it's called sriracha sauce. You guys could serve it with any sauce of your choice. Today I'm gonna do this. And what I like to do, I make myself a taquito with the rice and the chicken, just like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this recipe and make it at home. Let me know if you guys like it. Do not forget to subscribe and like my channel. I'm gonna have some dinner for now, so provecho.